Hello, I'm Seunghun from ICU. Here in this video, I will show how to add members to a Google group. We are gonna first go to the Google app icon on the upper right-hand side corner, and there you can find different kind of icons, and one of the icon will say groups. So you click groups, and then once you click group, you will get this screen. In this particular screen, we are only looking at the already made screen, but if you click my groups, in fact, you will see all the groups that you are part of. So of course you can uh, leave a particular group, or you can just stay there. Anyway, for this particular group, this is ICU-LinguisticsLab experiment. We have 4 members. It's already mentioned here. And how do you add members is the next step, what I'm going to explain. So on the left side, you see a bar. And for this particular group, we have people. So when we see people, there are already 4 people added. But how do you add these members? You basically click the add members, and then you have 3 different levels of ownership or membership that you can add a person to. And you can add them as group owners, then they will have the exact same right as you who created the group. You can also add them as manager, then they cannot do big things like deleting the group, for example, or something like changing big kind of role. And then group members is like you have the basic thing. You will receive the email. You can send out email using this email addresses and things like that. So this is possible for membership, and you can also add a welcome message if you want. And then you just click add members. Here, this is where you type. So you don't have to type email to each of these lines. This is basically the level of the person inside this group, membership level of the person inside this group. So one last thing that I want to add is when you go to the conversations tab, now it's completely empty because I didn't add any conversation, or like we didn't have any conversation using this particular email. So what needs to be done is, or like what will be done is once you start conversation using this particular mailing list, what will happen is all the correspondences that you had with other people or like using this mailing list will be stored in this particular space. Okay, this is the end of a short introduction of the Google group.